In this video, I will show you how you can change your Google account password and what will happen after you change your password. You can change your password for security reasons or reset it if you forget it. Your Google account password is used to access many Google products like Gmail and YouTube. Let's learn how you can change or reset your Google account password. Open the Gmail app. From here, tap on the top right corner on the profile picture and then tap on Manage your Google account. Tap on Security and Sign in. Under How you sign in to Google, tap Password. You might need to sign in. Verify it's you. Now, enter your new password and then change password from the bottom. That's how you can easily change your Gmail account password. Now let's learn what will happen after you change your password. If you change or reset your password, you will be signed out everywhere except the device you use to verify that it's you when you sign in. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly.